so no B-pillar. There we have beautiful chroming, just like a mirror, guys. W111, the 280 SE from 1971. Soft closing doors, of course, came later. And if you don't have the license plate, there's also the accelerate, this 8-cylinder. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today we are at Motor Classic Hungary with beautiful gems, the W111 280 SE 3.5. They are the 8-cylinders, first S-Class with an 8-cylinder and fully restored under one roof, and this allows them to get to this ultra concours level of restoration, unlike any other place. So it is done from A to Z, underneath, inside, in perfect condition. So I will show you what you can do with these cars on the racetrack. This is the transportation truck of Motor Classic Hungary. They fully offer transportation to airports, to the client at the doorstep. Special made with precision. So in today's video we will take these W111s on the racetrack and I will show you the capability, the handling and what you can do with it. And then we have the coupe in front of us. And as you can see, we can drive very sportive with this W111 on this racetrack. We have full air conditioning system in the car. Of course, matching Becker sound system for Europe, defrosting, and a beautiful Mercedes clock right there at the dash. Using this car, this gem is not that difficult. It is pretty straightforward. But when I looked at the vehicle, I did not see the fuel tank on the side, like the modern cars. And this is because Mercedes-Benz designed it on the rear. Beautiful chroming. Everything under one roof, as I mentioned. So you can just grab this and there the fuel tank is located. And if you don't have the license plate, there's also the hole that you can insert a chrome element to pull it down. Very interesting to have it right here. But now the license plate is there. To open the door you have this old school knob. You just have to press it in and there it opens. Beautiful chroming. Check out the mirror-like door side. There we have the interior full automatic gearbox. Beautiful wooden dash. Amazing. So basically everything, including the chrome over here, all the buttons, everything is done in-house. Also the leather, of course. And check out the chrome on the steering wheel. Amazing is that this car, given that it is from 1971, has electric windows. So I can just switch the key and open the windows. It also has the window over here, so no B-pillar. Plus there is an extra button for the sunroof that can open fully electrically. Amazing. So let's take it to the racetrack. Today we are here with a W111, the 280 SE from 1971, fully restored for Motor Classic Hungary. And I will show you that you can drive this gem just like a modern car. You can turn it into the corners, accelerate this 8-cylinder and just be very dynamic. This is not only a work of art, it is also something to daily drive. First of all, the windows are open, there is no B-pillar, which is amazing. It has fully automatic window adjustments, even for the sunroof. So let's take it on the road here at the racetrack and I will show you what I mean. And you can open this just like in the G-Wagon. So then you know where the G-Wagon door handles come from. Beautiful with the chrome, just like a mirror. Amazing. And this has beautiful beige interior. Nice leather color. Beautiful sound. Soft closing doors of course came later. We have the beautiful Mercedes steering wheel with the Mercedes star. Wood interior. Amazing quality, guys. So if I turn the key, electricity works, and you can push this button to the side for the antenna to just pop up. So let's put it down again. Of course we will close all the windows as we will take it on the road on the wet service. We have fully electric sunroof, also the windows. Now the rear window, as you can see. The white front window, of course. And of course my own window. So now we are fully prepared to take it on a wet service. We have a lot of storage area, guys, over here in the center. There's a glove compartment over here in beautiful wood quality. Ashtray. To start the W111, make sure it is in park with the handle right here or in neutral. And you just push the key perfectly in equilibrium. The handbrake is off and just pull the handle in reverse, in neutral and in the fourth gear. It is not of course the fourth gear, this is in drive, but it just allows you to go to 4 gears. The tank level, temperature, amazing. If you have it in 2, then it will only allow you to be in 2 gears. This is more for hill climbs. Let's take off. So let me close the window and we'll take it for a drive. I really love the automatic gearbox right here. Beautiful, this 8-cylinder. You can adjust the mirror right here manually, but you do have full automatic windows. Power windows and also a power sunroof. Let me close it. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the 280 SE W111 on the wet service, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.